Manipur State Commission for Women gi Taramapalak Suba Foundation Day gi Thoudang ngasi Hotel Imphal gi Tangai Hall da pangthokre Nupi Singna politics yauna Hiram Khudingmakta Saruk Yaduna Leibak ki Oiba Achouba Thoudang Louba Tangai Phade haina Manipur gi Governor Bhalana Fongdokre Governor na makata na hai Center Lengak na Nupi Singda Khudong Chaba kaya pinaba tongan ba Thoudang kaya paikhatuna lakli Paikhatliba Thoudang sing adu Nupi Khudingmakta khanghan ba Tangai Phade amaromda Thouramapu oikibi commission asigi chairperson Thumlip Tiningfam Monsang na hai Nupi singi matangda school syllabus ta haptuna mahairoi singda takpi tambirabadi Nupi singi mathakta chathaba miyot minaidagi kharada oirabasu ngakthokpa ngamgani haiki Thouramaduga mari leinana Women Commission asigi Voice of Women gi taruk suba edition su fongki
Today's program also includes the display of preserved food products, bags and other items prepared by our self-help groups. These are not just items of daily use, they are symbols of women's self-reliance and entrepreneurship. They reflect the determination of Manipuri women to contribute to the economy while nurturing their families and communities. I take this opportunity to commend the creativity and hard work of our women led by self-help groups who are playing a pivotal role in building a resilient grassroots economy. It's my firm belief that women must actively participate in every sphere of life: politics, education, social service, sports, corporate leadership and technology. Their participation is not just desirable, it's essential for building a strong, progressive and equitable nation.